how to transform your cluttered Windows 10 desktop into a clean and productive workspace. Let's dive in. First, let's start by decluttering your desktop. Begin by creating folders to categorize your files. For example, create work create folders for files, work, personal, projects, etc. Then drag and drop files into those folders. You can also use the built-in Windows desktop cleanup and tool to automatically organize your desktop icons. Now, choose a clean wallpaper. A simple minimalistic wallpaper can make your desktop look much more organized. You can find great wallpapers on websites like Unsplash or Pexels. Download a few that you like. Then right click on your desktop, then select personalize, then go to background and choose your new wallpapers. Now, let's customize the taskbar to keep it tidy and functional. Right click on the taskbar, then go to taskbar settings. Now turn on automatically hide the taskbar in the desktop mode to keep it hidden when not in use. Pin only the essential apps to your taskbar for further access. Okay. Now, for a more advanced setup, consider using a clock or launcher like RocketDock. Go to the RocketDock website, download and install the application. Add your most used application to RocketDock for easy access. Now, enhance the desktop with the widgets using Rainmeter. Download and install Rainmeter from the official website. Browse for minimalist Rainmeter schemes and install the ones that suit your style. Customize the widgets to display useful information like time, weather, and system. Finally, let's add some finishing touches. Organize the start menu by pinning essential apps and removing unnecessary tiles. Adjust your display settings for the visual clarity. And there you have it, a clean, organized and productive Windows 10 desktop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.